Hi, my name is Victor Nazario, and today I want to talk to you about apartment air sealing. Air sealing is a great way to reduce energy consumption and to save money. Come on, let's go take a look, I'll show you. When you air seal an apartment, you're strengthening the barrier between your conditioned space, the area in which you live, and the unconditioned space, which is everything outside that barrier. When there are cracks or openings in the barrier, you're allowing conditioned air to escape and unconditioned air to enter. When you fill in those cracks, you'll see a noticeable reduction in your heating and cooling costs. The first step to sealing your apartment is identifying air movement using a smoke stick. And an obvious place to start is around the windows. If not properly sealed, you'll lose heat in the winter and cool air in the summer. These look like newer windows, so there's not going to be much air loss here. But I can tell you right now, this air conditioner is going to be a problem. Let's take a look. Wow, did you see that? See how the warm air is rushing in? That's the same thing that's happening with the conditioned air. The next step is to choose the right product and technique to address the issue. Here, I'm using both foam board and foam strips because they can easily be cut and molded to create a tight seal. Once you've sealed the trouble spot, check again with your smoke stick to make sure that there's no leakage. Okay, looks good. If you discover air movement, add additional sealant, or foam in this case, and recheck with your smoke stick. Okay, let's check out this bathroom. Take a look at this valve. You see the hole behind it? Also, see that hole in the corner where the bathtub meets the floor? It looks like the grout has just rotted away. And that's a problem, not just because of air loss, but I bet you that water bugs and other pests are getting in through that hole. Here I'm using caulk because it creates a better seal against moisture. Make sure you also check around shower bodies and fixtures. Whoever did this one did a good job. Switches and outlets on the exterior and connecting walls often aren't sealed. First, I'll put in a gasket, then add some painter's caulk to seal around the box. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let me take a look under the sink. You know, this looks pretty good. All right, since we're in the kitchen, let's take a look at the riser. Typically, removing the plate will expose a hole in the floor. Look, see that? Here's another place where the apartment is losing air. Here I'm using painter's caulk because it's easy to work with and it cleans up with water. All right, let's take a look at the dumbwaiter. I bet you odors from other apartments are migrating through these cracks. When we seal it, air and noise pollution will be much improved. I'm going to use weather stripping around this door because it can easily be cut to create a tight seal. Okay, let's take a look at the radiator. See all that air escaping? I'll apply some caulking cord. There, that should do it. I've used a lot of different materials to seal this apartment. Let's review. We use foam board and foam strips to seal around the air conditioner. Caulk in the bathroom to seal the hole behind the valve and the hole by the tub. Spray foam around the base of the riser, weather stripping around the dumbwaiter, and caulking cord to seal the area around the radiator pipe. If you want to start saving money immediately in a low-cost, easy process, air sealing is the way to go. Air sealing typically costs less than $200 per apartment and doesn't require specialized labor. My tenants are saving money on heating and cooling costs, and I'm saving money on service costs. Everyone's saving money. It doesn't get better than that. Air sealing takes a little work, but it's a low-budget way to save huge amounts of energy, and that's great for the environment.